In this video, Oliver thinks that we're just doing a plain simple 1v1 wild trout fishing challenge. But what he doesn't know is the prize is better than bragging rights. The prize is going to be a pack of trout magnets and a panther martin spinner. Alright, enjoy. Alright, so Oliver, what you didn't know about this challenge is there's a little bit of a prize.
Oh.
So whoever catches the most fish gets a pack of trout magnets.
It's a weird color. I don't know.
Nice, pretty natural color. It was the best one I saw. So those always work. Those always catch numbers. That's why I thought whoever catches the most fish gets that.
Are we gonna have a point system where it's like big fish or?
Well, then wait. But then whoever catches the biggest fish. Whoever catches the biggest fish gets a panther martin spinner. Nice black spinner, panther martin. So we have a chance that both of us can get one. I mean, the big fish, there's not really too much skill to that. It's really just casting in the good spots. Little fish, there's a little more skill, but I mean, I'd say it's a pretty even challenge.
I know it is.
So we'll see who wins. We're just using worms today. Pretty cold out. There we go. Net. I don't think it's gonna be the big fish winner, but it's a point for. Oh, hey, not a bad one.
He's pretty.
I don't think I'm gonna measure him just because.
He's got colors.
Yeah, I feel like. I mean, I don't think that's gonna.
Remember what I did on the trout tournament? I measured it and it was small.
True. I got a tape measure right here.
I can get mine.
All right, we'll say he's a 7.5.
7.5.
7.5 inch trout. Probably not gonna be the winner, but gets me on the board. All right, there we go. 7.5 inch trout. There he goes. Yeah. Oh, that's not a creek shovel, right? There we go. Nice. Might be a little bigger. He might
like it'd be
he might be like
close,
6.
close,
Yeah. Alright, I'll get the tape measure. 8? 8? Yeah, it's just a little bit under 8, so beat mine. There he goes. Oliver is in the lead for the biggest fish, and we're tied for amount. Holy sunny. Oliver got a sunny over there. What type is that? Just
I think
it's a pump, or I mean a bluegill.
bluegill.
Nice. Oh, something hard. Yeah. Oh. Hey. Dude, my rod, it went, look, it like, that was a good one. You literally have a trout. It's literally the biggest trout here. Oliver, you gotta stop leaving your rod. That's the biggest one. Oliver just let his rod sit again, and he catches a nice trout. Damn, nice trout. There he goes. Right back into the ocean. Seriously? Oh, jeez, he's big. Oh yeah, that's probably gonna bump me ahead. Couldn't get the net on this guy, but I don't know. He's not a bad trout.
He's fatter. He's a lot fatter.
There we go. Another trout. Let's get the tape measure out. He's gonna be close. I feel like he might be the same size or just...
8, what do we do?
If he's 8, we'll see. 7.5, I can't tell. He's right around there.
Right around the same spot. Okay, let's just say 5.
I think he's tied.
Tied.
So wait, we both have 2, right?
We both have 2.
I think, because yours was just below 8, like 8 3/4. But there we go. There he goes. Dang, it's close. All the fish are pretty much the same size. All right, currently we're tied up. All of us 2 fish, I have 2 fish. And the biggest fish is almost the same. Although Oliver might have the lead on that. Although I think I can catch head and get the most fish. Oh, dang it, that was a big fish. Maybe. He didn't feel, that, darn it.
What we do here is go back.
Oh! Oh, didn't even feel him bite. That might be the winner. Oh, yeah, that's gonna be the winner. Let's see.
Oh, that's definitely.
Yeah.
Good line.
We'll see. All going on. Ooh! 9, man.
Exactly.
9 flat.
Well done.
Nice. 9-inch trout. There we go. Nice trout.
Go. There he goes.
There it goes. Nice. All right. So I have won the trout fishing 1v1. So I get these 2 lures because I got the most fish and the biggest fish.
I got 2 though.
Yeah. So like.
We did well.
Oliver's not disappointed that he didn't win because last time we went fishing, he got nothing, and he got 2 this time. I got 3. And all of them were about 7 inches, but then I got that one 9-incher. So I'm gonna put these in my tackle box. I'm excited to use these trout magnets. I'm running low on them. But I guess if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, share with your friends, and we'll see you in the next one.